morning children. Welcome to the maths class. So, we have started with the chapter subtraction and we are continuing with that chapter. I believe you all are understanding it because whatever we have done till now is very easy. And don't worry, what we will learn today is even easier than that. So, let's begin with our maths class. So, before we start, what is the first thing that we do every day? We write classwork and then we write date. So, we'll start with that. First, write classwork. Then, write today's date. After writing it, we will write the name of the chapter. What is the name of the chapter? The name of the chapter is subtraction. And what are we doing in subtraction? Today we will learn subtraction of two-digit number. Okay? Subtraction of two-digit number. Two-digit number. Okay, this is our topic today. Now, what we had learned in the previous class was that in the previous class we learned that if there is a two-digit number and we have to subtract one-digit number from that, how are we going to do it? In the previous class, पिछले क्लास में हमने ये सीखा था कि two-digit number से one-digit number को कैसे subtract करते हैं. Okay? Now we will learn more than that. Today we are going to learn more than that. So let's understand it. Suppose this is the number to you, number which is given to you. You have to subtract this two-digit number. Now, how are you going to subtract it? First, understand what is two-digit number here, and then we will continue further. Ones, tens. Here, this 85 number is a two-digit number. 85 यहाँ पर two-digit number है. क्यों? क्योंकि 5 is at the ones place and 8 is at the tens place. 5 is at the ones place, that means 5 ones. 8 is at the tens place, that means 80. 8 tens or 80. So 85 is a two-digit number. In the same way, 27 is also a two-digit number where 7 is at the ones place, that means 7. And 2 is at the tens place, that means 2 tens or 20. What you have to do now, as the question says, can you see here there is a subtraction marks? Okay, this is the sign of subtraction which shows that we have to subtract 27 from 85. Okay, 27 को 85 से subtract करना है. Before that, I will make a box here so that you can understand it in a better way. Can we subtract 7 from 5 ones? क्या 7 को हम 5 से subtract कर सकते हैं? Can 7 ones be subtracted from 5 ones? No. Why? Because 5 ones is greater and 5 ones is smaller and 7 ones is a greater number. We cannot subtract a greater number from a smaller number. एक बड़े नंबर को छोटे नंबर से subtract नहीं किया जा सकता है. Then what we will do now? अब क्या करें? We will borrow 1 from 8. Here we have 8 tens. What we will do? We will borrow 1 tens from 8. 8 में से हम 110 को बोरो कर लेंगे. वी आर गोइंग टू बोरो 110 from 8. We have taken 110. When we will take 110, what is left here? Here 7 is left. That means 7 tens is left here. Now we have taken 110. 110 means how many ones? 110 means 10 ones. 110 का मतलब होता है 10 ones. 110 को हम ऐसे भी लिख सकते हैं. 110 मतलब 10. 10 ones मतलब क्या होता है? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. 10 ones is this. 110 means 10 and 10 ones means how much? 10 lines. 10 ones means 110 is equal to 10 ones. एक 10 कितने ones के बराबर होता है? एक 10 ones के बराबर होता है. ओके, we have taken 10 ones. हमने यहाँ पे 110 लिया. इसका मतलब 10 ones हमने बोरो कर लिया है. 10 ones बोरो किया है और पहले से कितना था? पहले से यहाँ पर 5 ones था. So 10 ones plus 5 ones. This will be how much? 10 ones plus 5 ones is how much? 10 plus 5 is 15. So here what you are having now? Here you are having 15. So either you can write here 1, just whatever one we have borrowed, you write here 1 5, or you write here tens. That means 10 is there and plus 5 15. आप किसी भी तरह से इसे कर सकते हैं. या तो जो आपने 110 बोरो किया है उसे ऊपर में लिख दें तो 10 plus 5 15 हो जाएगा. या सिंपल जो नॉर्मली हम लोग करते हैं 110 we have borrowed, we will write here 1. Okay, so this becomes 15. This one here means what? This one here means 110. That is 10 ones. That we are writing 10 plus 1 15. So 1 5 here means 15 ones. So 15 minus 7. You will write here 8. 15 minus 7 means what? 15 minus 7 here means 8. So 15 minus 7 is 8 and 7 is left here. 7 बचा हुआ है यहाँ पर. 7 में से 2 subtract कर दीजिए. 7 minus 2 is 5. So your answer now becomes 58. Okay, let me give you one more example so that you can even understand better. This is the first example that I gave you. Now I will give you the second example, example number 2. Okay, once again I am going to write tens and ones and then I will write the number. Let's have a number 6 4 and here you are going to write 8 and here you will write here 3. So now what you are having? You are having two two-digit number both up and down. 64 a two-digit number where 4 is at the ones place, that means 4 only. 6 is at the tens place, that means 6 tens or 60. What we are subtracting? We are subtracting again a two-digit number where 8 is at the ones place, that means 8 only. 3 is at the tens place, that means 3 tens or 30. And we are subtracting 38 from 64. इस सम में हम क्या कर रहे हैं? 38 एक टू डिजिट नंबर को 64 एक दूसरे टू डिजिट नंबर से सब्ट्रैक्ट कर रहे हैं. सो लेट्स स्टार्ट. कैन वी सब्ट्रैक्ट 8 ones from 4 ones? 8 ones को 4 ones से सब्ट्रैक्ट कर सकते हैं? नो. व्हाई? बिकॉज 4 ones is a smaller number and 8 ones is a greater number. एक बड़े नंबर को छोटे नंबर से सब्ट्रैक्ट नहीं किया जा सकता है. सो व्हाट वी विल डू? we will borrow 110 from 6. Here we are having 6 tens. We are going to borrow 110. जब 110 borrow कर लेंगे तो यहाँ क्या बचेगा? यहाँ बचेगा 5 tens. So 5 tens is left here. We have borrowed 110. The same thing which I have explained you. 110 we have borrowed. 110 means what? We have borrowed, keep it like this box. 110 here means we have borrowed 10 ones. 110 मतलब होता है 10 ones. तो 10 ones we have borrowed. Now 10 plus 4 is how much? This 10 plus 4 is 14. So here we are having 14. 10 plus 4 is 14. 14 ones. So simply either you can write here 1 4 14. आप यहाँ पे सिर्फ 1 लिख दीजिए. 1 4 14 में से 1 सब्ट्रैक्ट कीजिए, या फिर ऊपर में आप इस बॉक्स में 10 लिखिए. That means 110 that you have borrowed. So 10 plus 4 14. आप वैसे भी कर सकते हैं. So 10 plus 4 is how much? 10 plus 4 is 14. 14 minus 8 6. So from 14 ones we have subtracted 8 ones and we have got 6 ones. What is left now? 5 tens is left now, and we are going to subtract 3 from 5 tens. So 5 tens minus 3 is how much? 5 tens minus 3 is 2. So we have got the answer 2. Okay. So the answer is 26, where 6 is at the ones place and 2 is at the tens place. So this is your second sum. And I am going to give you 3 more sums. Okay. And you will solve these 3 sums, and then 3 plus 2 altogether you will have 5 sums. 4 and 5. Okay. First let me write here tens, ones, tens, ones, tens and ones. And then I am going to give the number to you. 4, 6, 9, 1, 46 minus 19. Then we will have 5, 1, 3, 1. 51 minus 13. Then we are going to have 60 minus 25. This is the third sum. So altogether how many sums you have to do now? Sum number 1. This is sum number 2. This 2 already I have explained you. Okay. Then we have sum number 3, sum number 4 and sum number 5. Altogether you have to do 5 sums. And children, if you have any problem in this, if you do not understand this, please let me know and do the work in a very neat and clean way. Some of the copies that I get are really so beautiful. It's a pleasure to check those copies. मुझे वाकई खुशी होती है ऐसे कॉपीज को चेक करके. बहुत अच्छा लगता है. कितने छोटे बच्चे कितना साफ सुथरा काम, कितनी सफाई से, कितनी खूबसूरती से, कितनी सुंदरता के साथ अपने काम को करके भेजते हैं. I really am very very happy, at the same time proud of you all. So keep your work very neat and clean. Let me not have the feeling that you are doing the work in a hurry. जल्दी जल्दी काम कंप्लीट करने के चक्कर में आप किसी भी तरह से गंदा काम करके मुझे ना भेजें. ये आपकी कॉपी है. एक कॉपी एक बच्चे की पर्सनालिटी को दिखाती है. अगर साफ कॉपी है, दैट मीन्स वो बच्चा खुद को भी बहुत साफ रखता होगा, तभी उसकी कॉपी भी साफ है. ओके. सो योर कॉपी शुड बी वेरी नीट एंड क्लीन, वेल अरेंज्ड, and use a scale to draw lines. If you are drawing lines for making boxes like I have made, always use a scale No rough hand drawing with the pencil. Okay? I will give you homework also. Homework page number 42. All the sums that are there in page number 42, that is your homework. I will send the message in the group also. So, this is your class work. Page number 42 is your homework. Complete the work and then send it to me. Thank you, children.